April showering my great niece some more delicious, nutritious baby purees. Today, her mom asked me to make oatmeal. So I said, no problem, I will make the oatmeal. Now here's what you do. You make oatmeal very, very thin because the oatmeal absorbs the water like crazy. And I like these more nutritious oats that are rolled as opposed to quick cooking. So get the rolled, and these are sprouted, and that makes it even healthier. Go ahead and make your oatmeal just like the recipe says to do. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna elevate the nutritional content like we always do at Garden of Edie. And I'm going to add cinnamon. This is a wonderful Vietnamese cinnamon. It's very delicious. And you can just eyeball it and taste it until you like the flavor. And so I put probably about a teaspoon or maybe a teaspoon and a half, okay, or two. But I like this color, I can kind of tell. And that increases the antioxidant level in a huge way. And you know, cinnamon is one of those superfoods type of spices. So get that in your little baby's tummy too. And then what's the real huge booster of nutrition and immunity are cloves, ground cloves. I always keep some ground cloves when I make my own oatmeal. So just a pinch, because it is a very strong tasting, and we don't want to make it too strong for the baby. I'm using a Cuisinart, and I can already tell the oatmeal has absorbed a lot of the water. Again, I had it really runny. Now this smells so good. So this is for the baby. For the puree, 1 tablespoon or 2 a day. And then look, for mommy and daddy, look what we're gonna do. We're gonna have this gorgeous fruit salad for breakfast, and we're gonna do oat sauce all over it. Now that is one heck of a healthy breakfast, and delicious too. Hope you're loving this. Tell me if you do. Tell me some of your baby food purees and how you elevate the nutritional content. See you soon.